Hi guys, Aspen here from Drone Nature. Just testing my Canon M50, just vlogging a little bit, just to see how the tracking works. It's pretty good tracking on this camera. It isn't any inboard stabilization, I think. This is not the expensive camera, but I think the footage looks pretty good. I've done some B-rolls with it and it seems to work pretty good, so yeah, but I think this camera is enough for my use. Oh, it lost me a little bit. It's tracking my face really good. Let's see. Really good tracking. It's working pretty good. It's so easy to see on the screen and not on the lens, but I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I really hope you like my content and of course will subscribe. So this is just a short test with the Canon M50. See if the face tracking is any good. You can see I think the sky is pretty blown up here. It's not the best camera or the best lens, but it's good enough for me. I really want to upgrade the camera. I was looking a little bit on the Panasonic GH5. That's a really good camera for filming and especially creating B-rolls. You can shoot up to 4K 60 with it, and it's they say that inboard stabilization is really good on that camera, and it's not that expensive, so hopefully someday I can upgrade it, but I need more subscribers then. So please check out my channel, and I'll see you. Bye bye.